Hey everybody, Josh from Crappie Junction here. I just wanted to start a little thing on YouTube. We're going to be redoing the tackle shop. It's nothing super special, nothing super fancy, but I just thought it would be fun for you guys to follow along with Emily and I as we transform a spare bedroom into our new tackle shop. So we're headed downstairs. This is going to be part of the tackle shop. This will be the rod shop. There's our rod bench right there. Currently disassembled. Hey Finn, how's it going? So this is where the rod bench is gonna go, minus the cat tree. And yeah, we got a pile of stuff here to take care of. There's this and then there's this. So I kind of started it already. Pulled the face of most of it off. I got a little bit right there to pull off, some over there. For the most part, I'm ready to start pulling the glue and the backing off. So, you just have to get it wet and scrape it off. Kind of one of those deals. So, yeah, we thought it would be fun for you guys to follow along and just, kind of give us ideas, or just see what we're up to. It's not going to be a whole lot of how-to stuff. It's just going to be showing the transformation of just how this room is going to get set up. It's a little bit smaller of a space than we had at our last tackle shop. But I think it'll work. So follow along. Let us know what you think. And who knows, maybe we'll do more projects. We'll talk to you later.